Sushi, what are you still doing here? Aren't you getting late for your date? No, yeah, I don't feel like going. Well, what's the matter? You've been texting this guy for 3 months, no, now? And finally, you have a date. Oishi, listen, since we are twins, so do you think you will go on my behalf and like act like me and help me make him like me? Did you understand what I just said? Whoa, this shit is getting a little confusing now. What's the deal, sister? It's a little embarrassing for me, but I use too many beauty filters, you know. So he feels I'm this natural beauty, but I'm just like really scared that if he sees me in real life, he'll get to know that my skin is not as radiant and as spotless as I project it to be on my social media pictures. You could use makeup. That's the problem. No, stupid. I told him I don't use makeup. You know, it's all natural and stuff like that. He feels I'm a natural beauty. And look at these big pores. Bloody hell. My life is over. I'll be exposed now. He'll find another girl. Oh no. Okay, no, wait. Let me register this first. So, after all these years of face shaming me and poking fun at my adolescent pimples, you finally find me prettier? Now that you need me? Well, I still look prettier than you. There's no question about it. But your skin looks prettier for a change. Have you been doing something lately? Oishi, look at me. What's your secret, huh? Well, I do have a secret, but you have to be nice to me first. Are you kidding me? I just told you your skin looks prettier. That's the most compliment I've given you your whole life. Out with it now. Tell me what you do. Okay, bye. I'm off to your date now. Wish me luck. Okay, stop. Your skin looks lovely. You look gorgeous. I can't even recognize you, Oishi. I can't believe you're my own sister. I mean, you are, but still, I could never have imagined that you could also look so stunning. Now, please tell me your secret. No, I'm getting late for my date. Let me have a closer look at your skin, though. Nothing much. So recently I got my hands on Wow Skin Science's vitamin C range of products. Yeah, the name of the brand is Wow. Yeah, I've heard that vitamin C is like your skin's best friend. It's a very powerful antioxidant and like also has certain properties that it helps to produce collagen and also like protects your skin from the harmful effects of the UV rays. See, I know so much. So you can see that my skin is also looking wow. And I've been using it every day since the products are paraben and sulfate free. You know, these are the kind of products I prefer, and they don't even have those synthetic fragrances and stuff like that. So you can use it and you can see how it works. It worked wonders for my skin because it has vitamin C, right? And vitamin C, like you said, is a very powerful antioxidant for the skin. I'm not really a big fan of using artificial products for my skin. But you know, this looks really natural now that you tell me that it's chemical free and also the ingredients that they've used. I was just reading. There's jojoba oil, then there's, you know, like lime and orange essential oils and stuff like that. It's so cool. And also aloe vera. I think I'm very excited for this one. Also the colors, I love it. You know, I love the idea of having citrus fruits in my skincare products. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited just like a baby. But look at these colors. Eccentric orange, lime green, dirty yellow, all my favorite. Ooh, fancy. I can't wait to try them. Come on, come on, come on. I'm getting late for my date. Come. Quick, just guide me through the steps. Okay, come on.
Ew, my skin looks terrible. Start by pumping tiny amounts of Wow's brightening vitamin C foaming face wash on damp skin. Its tangy citrusy fragrance can really revive your senses. Also, it comes with a built in face brush with gentle bristles to deep cleanse your face and remove all that dullness and purify the pores. The presence of lemon and orange essential oils along with jojoba oil helps to even out the complexion and restore radiance. Step 2 is to spray Wow's hydrating 2-in-1 mist and toner from a distance and let it settle on your skin. It has lemon and orange essential oils, witch hazel and aloe vera extract to minimize the pores and get dewy soft skin. Step 3 is to use Wow's vitamin C serum to boost collagen and elastin production, smoothen out fine lines and improve skin luminosity. All we got to do is put it around our face and massage it in gently for a minute. The final step is to use Wow's Vitamin C Face Cream. It is non-sticky, non-greasy, absorbs easily and seals the serum into your skin. Also, it has anti-aging properties. On making Wow Skin Science's Vitamin C range of products a part of your daily beauty regime, you too will notice a visible difference. Your skin will now look brighter, more radiant, pore-free, smooth and supple. So, what are you waiting for? Say hello to beautiful skin.
Wow, just look at my skin. I look so amazing, and that too without makeup. I don't even need makeup anymore. Just a little touch up here and there. I am so excited for my date. Thank you so much, Oishi. I've never loved you more. Okay, wish me luck. I'm getting late. Bye. Oh, bye. Hi guys, so firstly thank you so much for showering so much love to all these Oishi Sushi skits that I've done in the past, and I hope you like this one too. So this is all about skincare and actually taking care of your skin and not just relying on these beauty filters. So if you like how our skin looks, bright, radiant, spotless, then do check out the vitamin C range of products by Wow Skin Science. So I have listed down the links of these products in the description box below of where you can buy it from. So these products are available in Amazon, Flipkart, Wow's own website, Wow's mobile application, Nykaa. So check out the description box and gift yourself beautiful skin. Bye, take care. Wow.